Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus G712L. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus G712L sounds like a jet engine, you're not alone. This noise typically indicates a problem with the internal fans, which may be clogged with dust or malfunctioning. Ignoring this issue can lead to overheating, potentially damaging your laptop's internal components and affecting its overall performance. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Begin by ensuring the laptop is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft, flat surface to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel carefully. Keep these screws in a safe place as they can be easily lost. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver, being cautious not to damage the casing or any internal components. Now that you have access to the interior, locate the fans. You should see one or two depending on your model. Check for any dust buildup around the fans, as this is often the culprit for excessive noise. If you can see that the fan blades are obstructed, use the can of compressed air to clear away the dust. If the fans are still noisy after cleaning, they may need to be replaced. To remove the fan, carefully disconnect the power cable attached to it. Take note of how it is connected, as you will need to replicate this when installing the new fan. Remove the screws securing the fan in place, applying gentle pressure to avoid breaking any nearby components. Once unscrewed, lift the fan out and replace it with the new one, ensuring it is seated correctly. Screw it back into place and reconnect the power cable, making sure it is secured. Before closing the laptop, double-check that no tools or loose screws are left inside. To reassemble, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you previously removed. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean your laptop's vents and fans to ensure proper airflow. Additionally, consider using a cooling pad to help maintain optimal temperatures during use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.